President Joe Biden is in South Korea talking about semiconductor shortages. In a speech, he said COVID-19 exposed the fragility of just-in-time supply chains. But for now, Americans are feeling the pain with inflation and gas prices and are unhappy with how things are going. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, this was the beginning of President Joe Biden's overseas trip to Asia. First stop, the Republic of Korea. He toured a Samsung semiconductor chip plant near Seoul. And with South Korea's brand new president standing near him, President Biden talked business.
Our two nations work together to make the best, most advanced technology in the world. And this factory is proof of that. And that gives both the Republic of Korea and the United States a competitive edge in the global economy, if we can keep our supply chains resilient, reliable, and secure.
Samsung will be opening a $17 billion semiconductor factory in Texas. Now, overall, the White House says semiconductor companies have announced nearly $80 billion in U.S. investments in the next 3 years. The president noted that the Texas plant would add 3,000 high-tech jobs, and the construction would include union labor.
We're investing more than $1 trillion to upgrade America's infrastructure coast to coast over the next decade. And hopefully soon, with the Bipartisan Innovation Act, we'll deliver historic federal investments in U.S. research and development, including funding for something called the CHIPS Act.
Now, keep in mind, the president may be thousands of miles away, but the troubles are close. A new AP poll shows President Joe Biden's approval rating getting worse. Only 39% of U.S. adults approve of his job performance as president. And more from that AP poll, about 2 in 10 U.S. adults said the country is headed in the right direction. And among Democrats, listen to this, just 33% said the country is on the right track. That's down from 49% last month. And this all leading up to the midterm elections this coming November, where Democrats could pay a hefty price at the ballot box. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.